Hey there, this is Sam. So I have made the changes to the EA to start working with the our rental system. So this is the EA that ID that you gave me. So I have added it to your EA, and I have added all the remaining code so that it can work with the license management system. So I'm making this video to quickly tell you what you should do next, so you are clear on how to proceed from here. Okay, so this EA Gold State of Mind LLC V1, now when you add this to the chart, oops, sorry, add it to the chart, you will see two additional fields, API key and URL. So that's what your users will also see. This is the license key that you have to create on the site. And this is the URL for the site, so don't change anything here, or your users should not change this. But what needs to happen is you have to copy this URL, go out of this, and make sure that your users and you have it added in the list of allowed URLs under Expert Advisor. Allow web request for this URL. Okay, I have it already here, but you have to do it, and your users, people who rent this EA from you, also have to do this. Okay. The other thing you have to do is go to the website, and when you go to the website, you'll see this link, code library. Go here and download this code library. Okay. You save this file. Just click on it. It will download, right? And when it downloads, copy this file in the libraries folder. Okay. So open the libraries folder and you copy it here. So I already have it, RME license check V1. So this file is required in the libraries folder. So your users also have to do this, right? And don't worry, this is all explained also in the code library page here. And it is also explained in the second video down here, how to use the EA. So your users, you can send this video to them, okay, when you send the EA, right? Now let's see how that works. So when you add the EA to the chart, you have to give them a license key that you created, and they have to add this URL which I showed you. Now once you give them the license key, let's say the license key is blah 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 blah, and you click OK. See, the license check system went to the website, checked for the EA, and it says this EA and API key does not match. So contact the owner. So this is the message your users will see. So now let's create a valid license key, right? So I will show you how to create the license key in my account, but you have to log into your account and create the license key. So go to existing users. I just have, I think, a test user. Oops, sorry. Yeah. So when you log into your account, you already did this part. So you already added the EA. So you don't need to do that again. Now you have to manage the license keys. So here, when you come, you will see, select the EA that you added. These are all my EAs. So you will see yours, the EA that you just added. Let's say this is the EA. Don't worry about this. This is the key that you will get. Don't worry about this. This will also get auto-generated. Now, when do you want this to expire? Let's say you want this to expire on 31st of March, right? So your users can only use that EA till 31st of March. Let's say you want this to be used on a specific account. If not, just leave it blank. So the instructions are here. Which broker if you have a specific broker, other just leave all. Okay. Then allowed symbols. So which all symbols they can use? If you want them to use on all symbols, just leave it as all. Otherwise, just say, okay, they can only use it on Euro USD, for example. What time frame? So if you want them to use it only on H1 time frame, you can put 60 here. Otherwise, just leave it blank. And you can put your contact information. So I'll show you how this works, right? So when you do all this and when you click add, you will get the license key like this. Okay, so this is the license key you give to your users, which they put in the field license or API key, right? They put it here and so this is the URL. And when they have put a valid key, then and then only the EA will be working for them. Otherwise, the EA will be stopped. Okay. And not only stopped, it will be removed from their chart also. So they can't really use your EA without the proper license key. So let's say the license key has now expired and you want to rent it again. You come back here and create a new key, or you can change the existing key. So change the existing key from, let's say, I want now to extend till April 30th. And I just do this and I say update and it will extend it, right? So that is how you now use this EA, and you have to create license keys whenever you get payment from your renters and then give them the key. The key will only work as per your parameters here, and then it will stop, and they have to then come back to you for the new key or extend the key. Again, all of this good stuff is explained in the second video, how to install and use the EA. So show this to your users. First, you test with yourself on your own MetaTrader. Okay. Then once you fully understand the service, then you can give this information to the users. Okay. So this is where your EA starts showing them. So I'm going to improve this whole thing, and this is the way they can go to your website also. So make sure you put the website correctly when you create the EA. Okay. All right. So that's what we need to do. Let me know if any questions. Bye. Bye.